Hey, it's been a while. This is Crypto Mercy. Hope you're well. Welcome back on my channel. I had made a video 5 months ago, and 7 months ago, I had predicted that the Eagle will go around $36, and at that time, the Eagle was at 122, and we came down at $38. I was not so far, and when we reached 38, I made a new video to say, okay, we're going back to in between 81 to 85, and in logarithmic 65 to 69 is a possibility, the 0.382, and this is what we did. We came back up around 69. If you listen to the video, you will see that I was right here, and not so far to I was talking about 36, 37 inside this video. Now, I've been very busy with the HAL. It's a very nice community. You can access my private channel. You will have access to my live chart, Telegram channel, an amazing community, an NFT community, videos every week, every month for updates. And I'm talking about providing a lot of psychological tools to help you and give you tips during bear markets. Now let's deep dive on the Eagle and try to figure out what can happen right here. First, it is pretty simple. This is what we call a descending triangle. And, usually by experience, descending triangle love to match pole with the height of the triangle. And this is in logarithmic, providing us a target of around 22.26, which correlate with this point right here. This is an easy one, but this is not always how it goes. First, if we are going in non-log and doing the same, you can see here that we can go down to $10. But historically, the Eagle always had been playing in logarithmic. It's why, and I see much more. I see a lot of support at 29. I will show you 29, 25, 26, 21, 22. Okay, the most important thing in a bear market is to figure out what are the ultimate retracement fib of a cycle. This is what I call the ultimate fib retracement. And the market makers love to play, those two wicks here to try to find the strongest support at the ultimate bottom. And you can see that there is a clean correlation in between the 0.382 here and 39.59 and the pattern that we are making. We are having support all the time that we test here, and we are bouncing because it's a very strong fib. Okay. And we must understand that ultimate fibs are not, just those kind of fibs that don't provide support. We can see here it had been very supportive. And if we take the ultimate bottom wick point, 3650 is the ultimate place where the 0.382 will wait. Also, what can happen here? And it's very important to understand those logarithmic, ultimate logarithmic fibs, but also to dispatch your liquidity on those area right here, which are possible for a retracement. And now in non-log, you can also see that we have an amazing here correlation with this W pattern neckline right here in the 0.9 non-log, 0.95 non-log at 28.36. This area is gonna be very important and very supportive. Okay, and for sure, it's a nice place to accumulate more Eagle. Okay, let's come back in logarithmic. Okay, we have this pole of this pattern that is pointing in this area, which is, exactly this support supportive area. It's a big and a very nice correlation. I'm gonna place this green zone right here. And now we're gonna try to find out the most probable target with those trend-based fib extension tool. All right, and just try to explain you why I'm doing this before. Should not go too fast. We had what, if we analyze this pattern right here, it's what we call, you see 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3. It's not an impulse, because an impulse would make 5 waves. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but we didn't have this wave 5. It was possible to be a leading diagonal wave 1, but it didn't happen. Okay, we stop and we create a 3-wave pattern, which is this one, a WXY. Let me explain. It pretty important here. You have an ABC, a 1, 2, 3, or a WXY to create a W right here, and you have your retracement right here, which is an ABC. And you have here what we call a WXY2, WXY. Okay, you have what we call an ABC right here, and a B wave at the 0.9, which is an ABC in flat to create a W wave. We have an ABC here to create a X wave, and we have this one right here, an ABC, okay, or it can be a WXY, but we see that it's a 1, 2, 3 wave, okay. All right, and this is why, you know, this looks more like a B wave, because we create an higher high here, but not on the RSI, which is what we call another flat B wave. The momentum is creating a lower high, but the price is creating a lower low. We had an ABC at the max here to create the first W. We had a X wave, 1, 2, 3, and we have a Y wave, which created another W, 1, 2, 3, X, and we are in the same pattern here. And what I see here is more an impulse down of 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which create an A wave. An impulse can create an A wave, and we have an ABC, and now we can go inside a C wave, and just want to use a bigger, for you to understand this bigger WXY. It's why I'm here, right now, and try to figure out the most probable target with this pattern here. And we're going to use the trend-based fib extension tool, and let's go. Purple. Okay, perfect. I can see top, ultimate bottom, top of B, and the most probable target for this C wave are right here. You can see the correlation here in between the non-log 0.854 that I showed you before. I'm just gonna show. Did I show you that? Just gonna bring this ultimate fib, and let's take out the fib level, and you see the 0.95 ultimate non-log fib is at 28.36. This is a very, very important point, very important support. 0.95 non-log. All right, I think you can see it now. And I'm just going to click again on the fib level base log scale. We have the most probable targets here for this this C wave, it can come down to 21.52 max possible target for this C wave inside a 5-wave impulse down. Now, to be honest, the C wave pretty much love to be the same length, which bring us to 29, and again correlation with the 0.95 non-log. I'm starting to see some correlation here. Now let's try to figure out this WXY most probable targets. And we're gonna use powder blue. And now this one, what I see, it is possible that they're playing this one in non-log. Look, the 100 fib. Which means I'm gonna trace a blue just to be sure if they try to, you know, play with us a little bit. I'm not, you know, I'll be prepared for non-log. And now let's come back in log. And we can see that the lowest point in non-log is around 25.45, and we also have this support around 34.96, but in logarithmic we have 32.29. All right, this is very important. Now we have a better view of where the price can go, and you can see that there is a lot of correlation again around this area, the 0.382, and we have the ultimate non-log fib at 29.2850 plus the 100 fib of this C wave, which you know, bring us a very good idea of what can happen here. Would say that a retest around this area is very highly probable, but 29 is a possibility if you know, everything is very bearish, and if the if Bitcoin is plunging to around 12.8K to 14.5K. This is possible that we're gonna come and play inside this area right here around $29. We can, if we take a look at the structure here, we can see also that this is a pretty strong area right here, and it's exactly why we get around 30 to 28.50 the 0.95 non-log fib. Okay, perfect. Now we will try to match that with the ultimate trend base fib. We're gonna catch this top here, right here, white, and for sure, you know, with this one I will try to grab a couple of wicks. Maybe let's try on the daily. They love to cheat this, especially inside a bear market that is long like that. I'm gonna use this candle close. Let's do that. Okay, right here. Okay, this is the max. This is the max that I see. Let's figure out if we have something that can correlate. Again, in this area, the 100. Okay, fine. Now, if we play top of the wick to top of the wick, let's try to figure out what we get. Let's leave this there, it's fine. Again, we have a correlation around this 0.95 area, and we have this one at 15.91. This is the logarithmic 0.5. But now inside this pattern, I don't see this possible. We're gonna have to make another pattern to say continuation lower. All right. Now, if we take a look at the most important support area, okay, we have this one right here, candle separation. I'm gonna use, let's use purple. Those are the most strongest support that we have right now. It candle close from higher time frame are talking a lot about that big support around 2466 to 1970. Now inside the 2 weeks, we can go and try to figure out what we have. I'm gonna use dot lines like this. All right, a lot of stuff here. You can see around 21 to 1970, very close of the 121, which would be the max retracement point. A lot of support here, but a lot of support in this area to this in between 29.35 to 24.66. A wick, you know, would be possible, and to smash all the liquidity and all the support line. And this is what I'm seeing now. A lot of things, you know, are talking about, for me, but maybe a little bit more about the 29.35 inside this area. It is where we have the 0.95 log. Just want to bring that again. Okay, 28.36. You see, this is very strong support area. It's gonna be very tough for the bears to break that zone, especially at a point where we are. The price would be at a maximum, very close to be at the max to retrace inside this WXY. Okay, a little long this video, but I just want to be more specific and try to find out the correlation with you. This way, you know, it's more easier to understand. But remember, these 0.95 at 28.36, 29, and combined with 29.35 is a pretty interesting area, which we're gonna have to check. But a wick, you know, I'm not saying that they're not gonna send a wick to grab all the liquidity to down to even, you know, 21, to a wick to 21 here to 19. It would be possible, you know, it's a possibility. But I think the most supportive area would be around here, personally, right now inside this pattern. All right, 29.35 2 would say a wick to 21 is a possibility, but you know, this is a very nice buying zone for a bounce for the eagle inside this pattern. I wish you the best of the best, and this was Crypto Mercy. Much love. Thanks for supporting my channel. See you next time.